Alright guys, welcome to the Thursday directions video. We're going to start our documentary today on the Rwandan genocide. Um, like I said before, some of the parts of it are pretty graphic, but I think you guys can handle it. Every other ninth grade class has handled it for a long time, so I'm guessing you guys will be just the same. 2 hours long, so make sure, I know that it's a pretty long one, so take a look at the due date, December 22nd. Today is the 17th, so it's going to be due next Tuesday at 8:15 a.m. So you have Thursday, Friday, Sunday night, I know how things go, and then Monday. All right? So you got a couple of days to get it done. It's pretty entertaining. It will 100% catch your attention. For your assignment that goes with it, we have this, and again, every ninth grade class watches this, so this is for Mr. Colburn's. 53 questions, but I'm not going to have you guys do all 53, okay? For us, we're only going to do the odds, okay? So we're going to do 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 12, 15, so on and so forth, all right? All the way down to 53. And again, you can just answer these on a separate Google Doc. I don't know if you guys can file and make a copy of this one because again, it's Mr. Colburn's, not mine. But that might be it. But yep, so you'll see that one there. That's the actual assignment, and the video is just right here. You'll be able to click on it. And yeah. If this happens for you guys, just click watch on YouTube. And then once you get here, you'll be able to start it. So don't get discouraged or don't get confused when it doesn't let you. It's kind of because like I said, some of the stuff is pretty graphic, so YouTube tries to like block it. But yeah, just click watch on YouTube and you'll be good to go. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions or if you're having any type of technical issues with the age thing, or if any issues pop up, just let me know. But besides that, guys, have a good day, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.